Hey guys, Stephen Fielders here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Go Rhino's RB10 Step Bars, and with Go Rhino we have Ben. How you doing, Ben?
I'm doing great, thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming in. So Ben, tell us more about the RB10 bar.
So the RB10 bar is a raptor-style bar. It's a classic design that's available for most popular crew cab and extended cab applications. Comes in two different finishes for customers that want to change the look. Can be accessorized with our additional drop-down steps. It comes with a nice 5-year warranty on it, and it's a nice wide 6-inch surface that for customers that are concerned with if they have a good foot pattern that they can step on. Should be wide enough for them.
Awesome. So let's dive some more into those features now. So you said that this is a nice 6-inch bar. What material is this made of? Is it a steel bar, or what's the construction there?
So this particular bar that we have installed on this brand new Super Duty is a galvanized steel, and it's been textured black powder coated, and on top of that, for extra protection, we put the Polyuria coat, also known as a bed liner coat.
Okay, so those two finishes, one being the Polyuria or the bed liner, is the other finish that textured black finish?
Yep. So for customers that want to go with something that's not nearly as aggressive as the bed liner coat, they can elect to go with the textured black powder coat.
Gotcha. And now let's move into that drop step that you mentioned. That's a 4-inch drop step, I'm guessing. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. So for customers that later down the road decide to do a suspension install kit or a much taller tire package, they can add those as they need.
Okay. And the 5-year warranty is on both of those finishes. Is that?
That's correct. So we do honor the warranty on these 5 years, regardless of the finish you go with.
That's awesome. You don't hear that in many cases in the industry, so that's great. Now, I do know that many of your other bars have a matching hitch step. Is that the case for the RB10 too?
That's correct. So for customers that want to keep the same theme or they want to keep the same style hitch step, we do offer a matching hitch step in both finishes. So if they buy the bed liner coated hitch step, they can buy it in bed liner coat or textured black.
Very good. That's what I thought, but I want to make sure. So for the people at home, the viewers at home, they want to know probably about the installation. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this installation as far as difficulty goes, but also how long do you think this install is going to take us?
So we like to pride ourselves as being a no drill, no cut company. So all the existing provisions are used when we mount the bar. In terms of a rating, I would say no more than a 5.
Okay.
An hour should be about the most customers should be spending on the install.
Great. So viewers at home, it does sound like you can do this on your own pretty easily and in short order. But again, as always, if you have any questions or hesitations about doing this yourself, check our description below the video. We'll have a dealer locator there, so you can find a local dealer who would be more than happy to make this installation happen for you. So beyond just using the dealer locator to find an installer near you, you can also use the description below the video to find a part number, but also that dealer locator again to make a purchase decision as well. Now before we close, Ben, thank you again for coming in today.
Thanks for having me.
It's been a pleasure.
Likewise.
Guys at home, if you liked the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.